Jimmy! Hey, Jimmy, wait up! Dude, I need your advice on something. Well, sure, Eric. What seems to be the problem? Well, everybody likes you, Jimmy, and you seem to be really good with people, so I was wondering if you could tell me, how do you act nice to people? Well, Eric, part of being nice is just making people smile and laugh. The best way to do that is by telling a fantastic joke or a humorous answer. Bergman. Take that, Jimmy, and that! And don't you ever talk bad about Kyle again! Kyle is my friend, and if you say you had sex with his mom one more time, I'm gonna really let you have it. You hear me? Oh, Kyle. Hey.
You really think that beating up a handicapped kid is being nice?
Hey, Kyle.
Well,
Well, what?
how are you going to try to get invited to Casa Bonita this time?
I'm not Kyle. I know you already told Butters he could go.
Oh, well, yeah, I did.
I know we argue all the time, and I give you tons of crap, but we've also been through a lot together, and maybe that alone doesn't make us friends, but it makes us something. So, whatever, just, I hope things will be cool. I'll see you later.
Hey, Cartman. If for some reason Butters can't go to Casa Bonita, you can take his place.
Sweet, whatever. Bingo. Butters, can you keep a secret?
Well, sure I can.
For the past 5 days, I've been looking out into space for a school project. This morning at 3:45 a.m., I caught first sight of something terrible.
How terrible.
A meteor. A meteor the size of Wyoming, heading right for Earth.
What?
I just want you to take a look and see what you think. Do you see anything?
I just see stars.
Keep looking. Sometimes it takes your eyes a minute to adjust.
No, I don't see it. Whoa, wait! Oh my god! I see it! I see it! It's a meteor! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Does it look like it's getting closer?
It is! It is getting closer! Oh my god!
According to my calculations, that meteor is going to hit Earth in less than 4 hours.
Oh, you mean we're gonna die?
No, Butters, we are going to live! Do you hear me? We are going to live! We've got to find a bomb shelter! Here we go! Bomb shelter's down here!
Oh god! Oh Jesus!
Alright, we should be safe in here. There's dried food and water to last us for weeks.
But what about everyone else?
I'll go up and get the others. Now, Butters, listen. No matter what happens, no matter what you hear, do not come out. If I don't make it back in time with the others, then it will be up to you to repopulate the Earth.
What am I supposed to repopulate with?
Well, with your wiener.